Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about how to attract good jobs and customers. How to attract good jobs and also how to attract good customers. Whether you are just starting out or looking to grow your business, these tips that I will be sharing with you today will help you attract the right jobs and customers that are a good fit for your business. Number one, define your ideal customer or define your ideal job. The first step in attracting good jobs and customers is to define your ideal customer or job. This means understanding who you want to work with, their needs and their preferences. Once you know your ideal customer or job, you can tailor your marketing messages and services to appeal to them. Number two is that you need to offer high quality services and products offering. High quality service and products is essential for attracting good jobs and customers. This means providing top-notch services that meet or exceed your customer expectations and using high quality products that are available, that are reliable and are also durable. Number three is to build a strong online presence. Building a strong online presence is essential for attracting good jobs and customers. This means creating a professional website, creating social media profiles and other online platforms that showcase your expertise and services. Number four way is to provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is essential for attracting good jobs and customers. This means being responsive to customer inquiries, addressing their concerns promptly, and going above and beyond to ensure their satisfaction. Number five is to build relationship with your customers and clients. Building a relationship with your customers and clients is essential for attracting good jobs and customers. This means engaging with them on social media, following up after a job or purchase, and staying in touch with them to build trust and rapport. Number six way is network with other professionals. Networking with other professionals in your industry is a great way to attract good jobs and customers. This means attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and connecting with other professionals in your field. Number seven, use online advertising and marketing strategies. Using online advertising and marketing strategies is a great way to attract good jobs and customers. This means using Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and other online marketing tools to reach your ideal customer or to reach your ideal job. The next number, which is number 8, is that you need to get referrals and recommendations. Getting referrals and recommendations from satisfied customers or clients is a great way to attract good jobs and customers. This means asking for referrals, offering incentives for referrals, and showcasing positive reviews and recommendations on your website and social media platforms. Tip number 9 is to stay up to date with industry trends and developments. Staying up to date with industry trends and development is essential for attracting good jobs and customers. This means attending industry events, following industry news and trends, and adapting your services and products to meet the changing needs of your customers. Tip number 10 is that you have to offer competitive pricing and packages. Offering competitive pricing and packages is essential for attracting good jobs and customers. We just went out to take lunch some minutes ago before I came in. And what happens is that the food is good. At the same time, it is not too expensive for the kind of environment where it is. So you see people trooping in. There's a long line in the restaurant. and that is because of the competitive pricing that was factored in. So, offering competitive pricing and packages is essential for attracting good jobs and customers. This means offering fair prices that are in line with industry standards and creating packages that offer added value and benefits to your customers. So, there you have it. Some tips on how to attract good customers and good jobs using these strategies. By defining your ideal customer or job, building a strong online presence, offering high quality services and products, providing excellent customer service, building relationships with your customers and clients, networking with other professionals, using online advertising and marketing strategies, getting referrals and recommendations, staying up to date with industry trends and developments, and offering competitive pricing and packages, you can effectively attract good jobs and customers and achieve success in your business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which is this video that is popping up right now. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I want to plead with you that you should go ahead right now and subscribe. If you have not clicked the notification bell, go ahead and click all. If you have clicked the notification bell but you have not shared the link of this video, go ahead and share it on your social media networks. And then if you have any question for me, go ahead and drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to come your way again in the next video. Bye for now.